La Boheme is Puccini's glorious celebration of student life and loves in Paris in the early 19th century. Puccini took the story from a series of short stories by Henri Murger and put them together in one of the greatest opera plots ever written. There are 4 young bohemians: Rodolfo, a poet; Marcello, a painter; Schaunard, who's a fiddle player; and Colline, a philosopher, and all 4 live in a garret over the roofs of Paris. One day, Rodolfo meets his neighbour, the sempstress Mimi, and they fall in love and go down and join the revellers in the Café Momus underneath their flat, where they can start to celebrate Christmas. All look set for a happy relationship, but poor Mimi has consumption and her health is already beginning to fail. At the same time, Mimi's started having a series of affairs, and poor Rodolfo doesn't know which way to turn. While Marcello has a steamy relationship with Musetta, a singer, Mimi comes back to Rodolfo and they work out that they will try and at least keep together till the spring comes. But then Mimi goes off again and is thrown out by her new lover because her consumption is about to kill her, and she comes back to Rodolfo's flat where she dies, surrounded by her friends who try and give her the last little comforts they can. And as she fades away, poor Rodolfo cries out her name in agony of love.